Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin, a complete troubleshooting solution for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to create backup and restore drivers using command prompt in Windows 10. It's an important issue, so don't forget to watch full video. Whether you are doing a clean installation or reinstallation Windows 10, you always have to make sure to install device drivers to allow the operating system to communicate with the hardware and peripherals connected to your computer. You will learn the steps to use Deployment Image Servicing and Management DISM command line tool to create the backup of all drivers on your device, and how you can restore them on Windows 10. Okay, right click on Start menu, click on Device Manager. Look, all the drivers are in here. I want to make backup all of these drivers. Okay, close this. Now create a folder. Give a name. I am giving the name driver backup. Now click on search bar, type CMD, run CMD as administrator. To create backup, type DISM space slash online space slash export hyphen driver space slash destination clone. Right click the folder, click on properties. This is the path. Though I have given the command in description, you can use this command from description of this video. Click on copy. Now right click here, backslash name of the folder, copy it and paste. Okay, this is the command to create backup. Okay, now hit enter. The backup is creating. Okay, all the driver package is successfully exported to the driver backup folder. Look, the operation completed successfully. Please note, this will not backup the drivers of .msi extension or .exe extension. This will only create backup for .inf extension drivers. I am repeating again, this will only create backup for .inf extension drivers. Okay, all your drivers are stored in the backup folder. After you have reinstalled the operating system of your Windows 10 computer, you can restore all the drivers from your backup folder. You can also keep this driver backup folder on a USB drive or on another computer. Okay, now I am going to show you the restore command. DISM online flash add driver flash driver clone the backup path. Okay, for example, I am giving this backup path. Now folder name. After your reinstallation of operating system, you will need to install all drivers. Then you can use this command and you will keep the path of your USB drive. That's because your backup folder will be in the USB drive. Okay. If you hit enter, all of the drivers you have backed up in this folder will be installed again. Okay. If you want to install a particular driver or if you want to update a particular driver, you should not use this command. Okay. Close this. Right click on start menu, click on device manager. I want to update driver of my batteries. Click on the battery, right click on it, click on update driver. Click on browse my computer for driver, click on browse. Now from here you need to select your folder where you have backed up all the drivers. Click on driver backup. You don't need to identify the specific backup folder for a specific driver. You just select your backup folder and Windows will automatically search and detect the appropriate driver and Windows will update the driver. Click OK. Now make sure include subfolder is selected. Now click on next. Look, Windows has determined that the base driver for this device is already installed. Okay. Close it. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial will help you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.